Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. We are so very happy to have you join us for this video. This is part 2 of our series on the service life of passenger and light truck tires. If you've watched part 1, you already know how critical it is to understand tire service life factors, maintenance, and replacement guidelines. In this episode, we'll delve even deeper into this subject, providing you with essential insights. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more valuable automotive content. Inspecting tires for signs of aging. In addition to considering tire age and tread depth, it's essential to inspect your tires for signs of aging. Over time, tires can develop cracks, bulges, or other visible signs of wear and tear. These signs can indicate that the tire's structural integrity has been compromised, making it unsafe for use. Regularly inspecting your tires for any signs of aging will help you identify potential issues early on and take appropriate action, such as tire replacement or repair. Taking into account tire manufacturer recommendations, considering tire age and tread depth, and inspecting your tires for signs of aging are crucial steps in determining the service life of your tires. By staying proactive and attentive to your tire's condition, you can ensure the safety and performance of your vehicle while making informed decisions regarding tire maintenance and replacement. Extending the service life of tires. Taking proper care of your tires is essential in ensuring their longevity and maximizing their performance. By following a few simple maintenance practices, you can extend the service life of your passenger or light truck tires. Here are some key steps to consider. Proper tire inflation and rotation. Maintaining the correct tire pressure is crucial for several reasons. Underinflated tires can cause increased rolling resistance, leading to reduced fuel efficiency and premature tire wear. On the other hand, overinflated tires can result in a harsher ride and decreased traction. Regularly check your tire pressure using a reliable gauge and inflate them to the manufacturer's recommended levels. Additionally, it's important to rotate your tires periodically. This allows for even wear across all tires, prolonging their lifespan and ensuring optimal performance. Regular tire inspections. Performing regular tire inspections is an easy yet effective way to identify any potential issues early on. Look for signs of uneven tread wear, bulges, cuts, or punctures. If you notice any abnormalities, have your tires inspected by a professional to determine if they need repair or replacement. Alignment and suspension maintenance. Proper vehicle alignment and suspension maintenance play a crucial role in the overall health of your tires. Misaligned wheels can lead to uneven tire wear, decreased handling, and a bumpy ride. Get your vehicle's alignment checked regularly and have any necessary adjustments made by a qualified technician. Similarly, worn or damaged suspension components can greatly impact tire performance. Faulty shocks or struts can result in uneven tire wear and reduced stability. Regularly inspect and maintain your vehicle's suspension system to ensure optimal tire longevity. Safe driving habits. Finally, practicing safe driving habits is essential for preserving the lifespan of your tires. Avoid harsh acceleration, abrupt braking, and aggressive cornering, as these actions can cause excessive tire wear. Smooth and gradual maneuvers will lead to more even tire wear and improved fuel efficiency. Additionally, be mindful of road conditions and avoid driving over potholes, curbs, or debris whenever possible. Such hazards can cause tire damage or misalignment. By implementing these maintenance practices and adopting safe driving habits, you can significantly extend the service life of your passenger or light truck tires. Regular tire inspections, proper inflation, regular rotation, alignment and suspension maintenance, and safe driving will contribute to your tire's longevity and ensure optimal performance for many miles to come. Note: the content provided above is formulated based on best practices, aiming to engage readers while incorporating relevant information regarding extending the service life of tires. When to replace tires. When it comes to tire maintenance, knowing when to replace your tires is crucial for both safety and performance on the road. Let's discuss the legal requirements for minimum tread depth, signs of worn out or damaged tires, and provide some general guidelines for tire replacement. Legal requirements for minimum tread depth. As a responsible driver, you should be aware of the legal requirements for tread depth. In most states, the minimum tread depth required by law is 2/32 of an inch. This measurement is typically indicated by tread wear indicators, which are small rubber bars located within the tire grooves. When the tire tread wears down to the level of these indicators, it's time to consider replacing your tires. Signs of worn-out or damaged tires. Even if your tires meet the legal tread depth requirements, it's important to pay attention to signs of wear and damage. Some common indicators that your tires may need replacement include uneven tread wear. If you notice that the tread is more worn in certain areas than others, it could be a sign of alignment issues or improper tire inflation. This can significantly impact your vehicle's handling and fuel efficiency. Cracks or bulges. Inspect your tires regularly for any visible cracks or bulges on the sidewalls. These can indicate potential tire failure and should be addressed promptly. Vibration or shaking. Excessive vibration or shaking while driving can be a sign of tire imbalance or other tire-related issues. It's important to have it checked by a professional to determine the cause. Loss of grip or traction. If you find yourself slipping or sliding more than usual, especially in wet or slippery conditions, it may be due to worn-out tire treads. Reduced traction can compromise your safety on the road. Tire replacement guidelines. While the specific lifespan of a tire varies depending on factors such as driving habits, road conditions, and tire quality, there are some general guidelines to follow for tire replacement. Tread depth. As mentioned earlier, if the tread depth reaches the legal limit of 2/32 of an inch, or if the tread wear indicators are visible, it's time to replace your tires. Age. Even if your tires have sufficient tread depth, it's recommended to replace them after 6–10 years, regardless of mileage. Over time, the rubber in tires can deteriorate, leading to decreased performance and increased risk of failure. Punctures or damage. If your tire experiences a puncture or sustains significant damage, it's important to have it assessed by a professional. Depending on the severity of the damage, tire repair or replacement may be necessary. Manufacturer's recommendations. Always refer to the specific recommendations provided by the tire manufacturer. They may have additional guidelines or suggested replacement intervals based on the tire model and intended usage. Remember, proper tire maintenance and timely replacement not only ensure your safety but also contribute to better fuel efficiency and handling. If you are unsure about the condition of your tires, consult a trusted tire professional who can provide expert advice and assistance. In conclusion, the service life of a passenger or light truck tire is an important factor to consider for vehicle safety and performance. While there is no exact timeline for how long a tire will last, there are various factors that can affect its longevity. These include driving habits, road conditions, maintenance, and tire quality. It is generally recommended to replace tires every 6 years, regardless of the tread depth, as rubber compounds can deteriorate over time. Additionally, tires should be inspected regularly for signs of wear and damage. If there are any visible cracks, bulges, or uneven wear patterns, it is crucial to replace the tire immediately to avoid potential accidents or blowouts. Proper tire maintenance, such as maintaining the recommended tire pressure, rotating tires regularly, and keeping them properly aligned, can help extend their service life. Regularly checking the tread depth is also essential, as worn-out tires can compromise traction and overall safety on the road. Remember, investing in high-quality tires and following recommended maintenance practices can not only prolong the service life of your passenger or light truck tires but also ensure your safety and the performance of your vehicle. Thank you for joining us in Part 2 of our series on tire service life. We hope you've gained a comprehensive understanding of this crucial topic. Your safety on the road starts with the condition of your tires, so make sure to follow the guidelines we've discussed. If you found this series helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver, where we provide you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about your vehicle. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.